Hello everyone, today we will discuss combination of capacitors. So capacitor are combined in two ways. One is series combination and second is parallel combinations. So today we will discuss regarding series combination. So for series combination, consider three capacitors C1, C2 and C3. So this is the first pair of capacitor C1. This is second pair of capacitor C2. This is third pair of capacitor C3. So positive charge be given to this capacitor. Say that this is A, B, A dash, B dash, A double dash, B double dash. So positive Q charge be given to this plate A. By induction, we know that by induction here is negative charge induced and same charge on other side. So this side is connected to A dash. So here is same charge positive. Due to induction, here is negative charge and here is positive charge. So this capacitor is connected to third capacitor. So here is positive charge, same here is negative charge due to induction, and here is positive charge, and this capacitor is connected to earth. So when we supply positive Q charge to capacitor C1, so the total potential is V. The potential difference across this capacitor C1 is V1. For this second capacitor A dash B dash is V2 and this is V3. So when these three capacitors are connected in series, the potential difference is V1, V2 and V3. We know that by the definition of capacitance, C is equal to charge per unit potential. We will find the value of this potential because here potential is different but charge is same. Charge is same in series combination but the potential is different. So we will calculate only potential. V is equal to charge per unit capacitance. Say that this is equation number 1. So for first capacitor we will find potential across first capacitor which is V1. So now we find for first capacitor, the potential is V1. Using this formula, V1, here is V1, this is equal to charge is same across all the capacitors C. Charge is same across all the capacitor. So V1 is equal to Q over, here is C1. C1 is for first capacitor. Say that this is equation number 2. Same for second capacitor. For second capacitor, the potential is V2. Again apply this formula. This is equal to charge per unit capacitance C2. C2 is the capacitance for second capacitor. Charge is same for first, for second and also for third. So for third capacitor, potential is V3 which is equal to charge by capacitance C3. Say that this is equation number 3, this is equation number 4. So the total potential is V is equal to sum of the potential across three capacitor which is equal to V1, V2 plus V3. This is equation number 5. So put the value of V1 from equation number 2, V2 from equation number 3, V3 from equation number 4. Put all these values in equation number 5. So put equation 2, 3 and 4 in equation number 5. We will get, so the total potential V is equal to, the value of V1 is from equation number 2 Q over C1, value of V2 is Q by C2 plus value of V3 is Q by C3 because charge is same across all the three capacitors. So taking Q is common. Here is 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So V, taking Q in denominator on left side, this is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. So we know that the capacitance is equal to charge per unit potential, and reciprocal of this equation is 1 by C. This is equal to V by Q. Here is V by Q. So here is S. S for series. So put this value 1 by CS here. So it is equal to 1 by CS. This is equal to, this 1 by CS is the value of V by Q, which is equal to V by Q is equal to 1 by CS. So this is equal to C1 plus C2 plus 1 by C3. So this is the expression for series combination. The reciprocal of total capacitance in series combination is the sum of reciprocal of the capacities of individual capacitor. So in this case, capacity decrease in series combination. Capacity decrease in series combination. Always remember, in series combination charge is same across all the capacitor, but the potential is different. This is different. Charge is same across all capacitor, but potential is different for all. Thank you.